Hey you, do you want to generate 360-degree video like this? Today we are going to generate 360-degree video in one click. Look at this video till the end and tell me how this AI tool is in the comment. Luma is an AI tool that can generate 360-degree video in one click. If you want to create 360-degree video, first of all record your video like this way. Then go to the Chrome browser and search Luma. Click on the first website. Then enter the Luma interface. Click on login button in right corner. Continue with Google and create your free account. Then click on create button and select your recorded video. Write title. Select camera type. Then click on upload button. After few time it will generate 360-degree video for you. I hope this video has inspired you to try out Luma and unleash your inner artist. So what are you waiting for? Go and create some mind-blowing 360-degree video. I will give a link in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and let's see you in another video.